So I am going to look at this page and we're going to point out some important features and to help you read and use these standards. So here's the structure of the next generation science standards. Across the top is the topic, and in this case it says 5, which stands for 5th grade, Space Systems, Stars in the Solar System. Underneath that are the performance expectation. Please note again, it says students who can demonstrate understanding can. And then these are performance expectations. You'll also often hear them referred to as PEs. They integrate practices, core ideas, and cross-cutting concepts, and there are statements of what is to be assessed. They require students to demonstrate knowledge and use. It's really important to also note that these are not instructional strategies and they are not individual lesson objectives. In fact, what they are is a statement of what students should be able to do at the end of instruction. And they are organized by, again, topic view or DCI view. This is a topic view. Underneath the performance expectation are the foundation boxes. The orange box in the center is a disciplinary core idea, and these actually are focused on the science content, or sometimes some people refer to this as the meter. This is the actual knowing of science that you expect from your students. I want to point out that there's codes on these. In this case, there's PS2.B. That actually is a reference back to the framework for K-12 science education. On the left-hand side in the blue box are the science and engineering practices. These are integrated into every performance expectation, and these are the practices that science and engineers use in their work and that we need to help our students do to become well prepared for their future careers. On the right-hand side are the cross-cutting concepts. These are the overarching themes that prevail throughout science. And in this case, you can see patterns, cause and effect, scale, proportion, and quantity are all things that run through all areas and branches of science. Underneath the foundation boxes are the connection boxes, and they do various other things. One thing they have is they show connections to other disciplinary core ideas in that grade band. They show connections to the other disciplinary core ideas in other grade levels, and then they show the connections to the Common Core ELA and mathematics standards. What we're going to do next is we're actually going to take one individual standard and take a really close look at performance expectation, and take a really close look at it. This is 5-PS2-1, and it says support an argument that the gravitational force exerted by Earth on objects is directed down. Many performance expectations come with a clarification statement. That is to make sure that it's understandable what you should teach when we're doing this work. The assessment boundary helps to know what will or will not be assessed. In this case, gravitational force in 5th grade does not include mathematical representations of gravity.